Welcome to IS24, a place where students, staff, and parents work together. A place where classrooms are filled with teaching and learning. A place where you can always be yourself and learn something new and have fun doing it all. Although the last 2 years have been challenging, it has been our goal to continue to provide the best educational experience possible for our students. As a school community, we are committed to providing our students with a safe learning environment while also providing opportunities to participate in a wide variety of specialized programs and activities. Our school administration team and guidance department work closely with students and staff so everyone feels comfortable and safe daily. Our library is open to students and staff, and our librarian hosts lessons and events for our entire student body. Our subject departments work as teams to provide rigorous instruction and real-world experiences. We offer a variety of talent programs to choose from. Our talent departments include a dance program, performing arts, band, media arts, graphic arts, and a brand new visual arts program. Students showcase their talents throughout the year, and many times the entire school has the opportunity to get involved. We also offer an array of after-school center activities along with a free UAU program. Students can stay after school for wrestling, homework help, or even play some chess. Our physical education program is constantly providing opportunities for students, from biking to volleyball and basketball. Students utilize the gymnasium along with our schoolyard and have a variety of options when attending. We have Italian and Spanish foreign language programs along with technology and health classes. Being part of the Barnes family extends past the 3 years of attendance. Many of our alumni come back to visit and are now even part of our teaching staff. The IS24 staff is the heart of our building. A staff that extends themselves beyond the classroom and truly brings energy to our building. We have a large variety of special education programs available to suit everyone's needs, along with an array of different service providers. The Barnes IS24 community is one of a kind. We work hard to make sure all students are learning and happy. We pride ourselves on giving all our students the opportunity to succeed. Hopefully, you will be part of our Barnes family too.
Hi, I'm Principal Lenny Santamaria of IS24, and I want to just send this message out to all our future students planning to attend IS24. We are very looking forward to you being a student at IS24, walking these halls and becoming part of the IS24 family. See you real soon. Bye-bye.